We have Speedy Cop in his 75 Hawaiian jet boat burnout car. It is a Mustang underneath.
Got the jet boat out. We got a boat up on the wall. Oh, he's off the wall.
Burnouts I've seen out of Speedy Cop.
Oh, Speedy Cop on a rip. The boat sounds a little tired. It's leaking water too. All right, make some noise for Speedy Cop in the boat.
Speedy Cop got a little hot. Usually the water's leaking into the boat, not out of it.
I can assure you he's the only boat running today.